Located in Hoschton, just outside of Braselton, Cresswind Georgia at Twin Lakes is a gated, active adult neighborhood within the new Twin Lakes community. The location offers easy access to Atlanta, Lake Lanier, and Athens. It's an exciting time of year at Cresswind with so much happening. The first phase of the highly anticipated pickleball complex is almost complete and will open this spring. Once built out with over 40 courts, this will be Georgia's largest private pickleball complex and one of the largest in the Southeast. Pickleball is a fun and easy game to learn and is one of the fastest growing sports in the country. There is another exciting addition underway at Cresswind Georgia at Twin Lakes. Ground has broken on the resident-only clubhouse, scheduled to open in 2022. Residents will enjoy outdoor and indoor pools, workout classes, and state-of-the-art fitness center powered by eGym. And a range of social spaces will host community clubs, activities, concerts, and events, all coordinated by a full-time lifestyle director. Now is the time to discover Cresswind Georgia at Twin Lakes. The Welcome Center and 15 designer-decorated models are open daily to tour in person or online at cresswindgeorgia.com.